As I'm about to transition to my winter wardrobe, I realized how easy it has gotten for me. And by watching this video, I hope it will become easier for you too. I've used the Wonder Wardrobe method for some years already, so the transition from season to season is usually super quick, fun, and most importantly, cheap. Quick because I already have most of these items in my wardrobe and wore them in previous winters as well. So all I had to do is take a look at my last year visual guide and get everything out of the storage. Usually I don't like to wear exactly the same clothes like last year, so I add 3-5 items from other seasons. This is why each transition is quite fun. I get to mix and match old and new, and that always results in finding new interesting outfit combinations. My winter Wonder Wardrobe this year includes 12 tops, 5 bottoms, and 3 dresses. In total, I have at least 60 interchangeable outfits. In winter, I prefer to wear comfortable and simple clothing. Nothing basic, of course, but it's much more minimalist in terms of styling and use of color. The only new item that I bought this season is this pair of pre-loved wool trousers. I love how versatile they are. Actually, by adding just this one pair to my wardrobe, now I have 11 new outfits. And this is what I mean by saying that after implementing the Wonder Wardrobe method, the seasonal transition makes the process quite cheap. My favorite item in this wardrobe is this suit. I wear it with most of my tops, and depending on the styling, it can look more dressed up, businesslike, or casual. I also wear the blazer and trousers separately, which gives me even more variety for any occasion. This year I've included dark and deep colors like navy, black, plum, burgundy, forest green. I have some brighter shades as well, red, orange, yellow. I can't live without color. Wearing only neutral colors makes me kind of sleepy. I also have some monochrome outfits, but in this case I like to play with textures, which I think brings a personal touch to outfits. Do you include some extra items for the festive season? Yes, but those are usually not like extra items. I always just try to find something suitable from what I already have. Maybe just accessorize it differently, have brighter makeup. This year I only need 2 outfits. I will probably wear a blouse with a pair of jeans and red lipstick to a New Year party with my friends, and to a Christmas dinner with my family. I will wear my navy dress. It has a classic cut, it's very beautiful. I will also add high heels and some jewelry, so it looks a bit more dressed up. I also have 2 more dresses. This one is 2 years old and I love it. It's made of medium weight wool, so it's super warm, cozy and elegant. This dress is probably one of the oldest items in my wardrobe. Actually, I got it in 2010 to meet my first client. I wanted to look professional, but with a fashion twist. I didn't wear it for a couple of years, but it will be 10 years old in February, and I thought it's the perfect reason to include it in my winter wardrobe. I also got a lot of questions about layering, all kinds of questions. So if you are looking for layering outfit ideas, you can download a free ebook on my website. It's full of tips and examples. But if you are wondering how to stay warm, then you should pay more attention to the materials you choose. The warmest material is wool, so choose wool everything. Trousers, skirts, dresses, shirts, socks, ties, everything. For your blouses, you can choose silk. Silk is a very nice material that is able to regulate your body temperature. You can also try tencel. It's a bit thicker than cotton and softer as well. It's a very nice material. And if you are wearing a t-shirt underneath your sweaters and shirts, you can switch from cotton to merino wool t-shirts because they are also breathable. They are as thin as cotton, but they will keep you super warm. I have 3 pairs of shoes and all of them are sneakers. They differ in style and color and fit to multiple outfits. To protect my ankles, I wear warm long socks and usually color coordinate them with my sneakers, so the outfits look more complete and polished. I guess I kind of have a capsule for my socks as well. And finally, I have 2 jackets. This puffer jacket I usually wear to walk my dog or for some other casual activities. I also have this wool coat that I've been wearing for 3 years. I love it. It's warm and very comfortable. It fits any of my 60 outfits and I think it is a beautiful essential item in my wardrobe. If you would like to take a look at my wardrobe one more time and check every single outfit, I've published my visual guide on the blog. Let me know in the comments, how do you organize your wardrobe in winter? Let's share some tips and learn from each other. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time.